people, welcome to A4HC's YouTube channel. My name is Selassie, and today I will be talking to you about nutrition, what it is, and why it's important. I'm pretty sure all of you can relate to that uncomfortable and tiring feeling that you get when you go so long without eating anything at all. I'm sure that you can also relate to that wonderful feeling of being well fed after you've eaten your favorite meal. But apart from making us feel well fed, foods contain substances called nutrients. Basically, nutrients are the good stuff found in food that help us feel well and grow well. I would like to say that the information that we're going to be sharing with you is not medical advice, so please make sure to consult a health professional before you make any decisions about planning out your meals. Over here, we have what is called the Eat Well plate from the Canadian Food Guide. The Eat Well plate shows us different food types and how much of each we can eat in order to make sure that we have the basic amount of nutrients that we need. When we do this, we make sure that our body can feel well, grow well, and fight diseases. All these food groups contain so many nutrients, but in this video, I will only be talking about the main ones we can find in each of these. On the Eat Well plate, we have whole grain foods, protein foods, and vegetables and fruits. Let's look at these food groups and some of the nutrients, that means the good stuff that they contain. Over here, we have whole grain foods. Some examples are brown rice, oats, quinoa, corn, sweet potato, barley, and small potatoes. What makes whole grain foods special is that they are made up of every part of the grain that they come from. Whole grain foods contain a nutrient called carbohydrate. Carbohydrates give us energy. This is the energy that we use when we run, when we take a walk, or when we play our favorite sport. They also contain fiber. Fiber helps us move waste easily out of our bowels. Fiber is a kind of carbohydrate. It's the part of whole grain foods that does not get broken down by the body. Sliding to the right, we have protein foods. Protein forms a huge part of our body structure. Your hair, your skin, your muscles, and your gum are all made up of protein. Some examples of protein foods include milk, shrimp, beef, eggs, salmon, tuna, and canned tuna. We have hummus, and we have several kinds of beans. Protein can come from both animals and plants. In this colorful section, we have fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins and minerals. Vitamins come from plants and animals, while minerals come from the soil and from water. Some examples are apple, tomatoes, green pepper, strawberries, orange. We have onion, celery, banana, carrots, some zucchini, and broccoli. Let's take a look at two examples. First, vitamin C. Vitamin C can be found in oranges and strawberries. Vitamin C protects our gums, our teeth. It helps us heal our wounds and protects our immune system. Our immune system is the part of our body that helps fight diseases. An example of a mineral is potassium. Potassium helps balance our body fluids like blood and water, and it also helps regulate and control our blood pressure. Potassium can be found in banana. Fat is another kind of nutrient. Fat can be found in coconut oil, peanut butter, walnuts, cheese, and dark chocolate. Fats transport some vitamins. They insulate our bodies, which means that they keep them warm. They protect some of our body's organs, like our liver and our kidney, and they also importantly give us extra energy when we run out of energy from carbohydrates. Lastly, let's talk about water. Water is a very, very important nutrient. You can go weeks without food, but you cannot go a few days without water. Water transports nutrients, it cools down our body temperature. Water also helps us transport waste easily, and it also replaces all the water that we lose from our body through things like sweat and urine. Benefits of water are endless. Knowing about foods and what kind of nutrients they contain can help you make better educated choices for yourself. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Eat Well plate and how to make a meal that contains all the basic nutrients you need. Happy eating!